What's up, YouTube? Back to bring y'all another video of me about to attempt to tear down this front end so I can put this disc brake set up on it. I started already. Remove this drum. I'm about to remove this whole spindle to replace it with this new disc brake setup that I purchased. Everything in there, brake lines, spindles, rotors. I even grabbed me a new hood for it. Good shape too. My hood is in bad shape. You can see here, all bent up on the ends over there. He even caught me a new fender. You gotta excuse how this backyard look. That's where I keep all these cars that I work on. And I'm working on this mine anyway. The fender don't have any rust in it, none whatsoever. This is what I was looking for. Good score. And it's for the passenger side, because if you see, this passenger fender is in bad shape. But it's about to be replaced. I even replaced, well, this one on the driver's side is in good shape. I have to put a piece in the bottom on there, but I have a patch for that. Once I clean all that out and cut it out, I can replace it. But yeah, I'm about to get started on this. I'll cut y'all back on once I get it removed. That right there I gotta deal with on a day-to-day basis. When I'm trying to work on these cars, he play all kind of games. YouTube, now that I got all that loose, it's time to remove all of this from right here. So we can get this process going. Start moving. See your tool here? Could have been the best tool I ever got my hands on. All that beating, I don't have time for all that. Gotta make it easy as possible. All joint shot. one is old and not took care of. Find something to cut this off with, because I don't have time to be playing. Got that passenger side removed. Go ahead and take this off, this side off. See what we got with it. It's not the same as the other one on the other side. Bad too. Yep. Hadn't been greased in a while. Okay, YouTube, I got everything removed off the front that I'm gonna remove for now. But I also got new upper and lower ball joints, new tie rod ends. I'm thinking about going with a tubular control arms on it. Still trying to debate. I gotta break this down because I need this. This arm for that control arm for the tie rod end. I need this piece for this tie rod end, so I need to remove that in order to clean it up and use it on the new spindles. But I'm about to do some cleaning up under here. It's kind of nasty. So I'll show you the passenger side. Broke it down also. So I'm about to get ready to do some cleaning under here. And I was looking at this and I see that's been replaced, but it's different from the one on the opposite side. So bunch of ball joints on it. Yeah, so I done got all that towed down. So now I'm gonna clean it up, pick all these tools up, put them up, and wait to see what this welder gonna do. I've been working on it for a while. Get the front brake setup done. Start working on the rest of this body. See that buddy under there? But you trying to stay dry? Get the rest of this body done and go from there. I'll get with y'all on the next one. Get with y'all on the next video. You know, if you're watching this video, you know, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Don't cost you nothing. Trying to get my subscribers up, you know, to show some of the stuff that I like to do. So I'll get with y'all on the next one, YouTube. Peace out.